Hi and welcome back. So recently on my Instagram, I have posted a juice recipe and I got a lot of question as to what kind of juice it is and why do I make it, what model do I use for my juicer and lot more. So I thought I'll just make a short quick video about the juice. So in this video, I'm using a juicer to make it, but you can use a blender to make this juice, but it will be super thick, so you might have to strain it. So it's very good for both your skin and your hair. Even my kids drink this. It's also very easy to remember. It's as simple as remembering your ABCs. It's apple, beetroot, and carrot juice. So everybody knows the nutrition values of apple, beetroot, and carrots, but just a quick recap. Apples are very nutritious. They have antioxidants. They are good for even people with diabetes. So this is a very good fruit to have. So beetroots are packed with potassium, iron, vitamin C, and B9. And as you all know, vitamin C is very essential for your glowy skin. So I'm going to use beetroot. Also, beetroot is very, very good in building hemoglobin. So people with low blood count can use this, and it's very good for your kids. And carrots are rich in vitamin A and beta carotene, which are very, very important for both your skin and your hair. So I recommend buying organic for this juice because we are consuming it raw. A very good variation for this juice will be adding a small piece of ginger, or you can also add mint. It will leave a refreshing taste in your mouth. So you can customize it as per your taste. And the apples are also ready now. So I'll just dump all of these in the juicer. So let's get started. So I recommend making this juice every week. But if you want to make a big batch, please save it in an airtight container and refrigerate it. A big batch of this juice will stay fresh for almost 1 week to 10 days. So I used around 6 carrots, 2 apples and 1 beetroot and got around 400 ml of juice. And I recommend drinking the juice fresh. So let's see, how does it taste? It's really good. So because of the carrots, it's actually kind of sweet. It compensates the beetroot taste. So I hope you give this a try and let me know how it worked out for you. Try this juice for at least 3 months and you will see a noticeable change. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. So see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
బీట్రూట్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తావు?
నెక్స్ట్ బీట్రూట్ చదువుకుంటా. కరెక్ట్ వర్డ్స్ చెప్పాలి కదా, నీకు ఇష్టమైనట్టు చెప్తే. బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ బీట్రూట్.
బీట్రూట్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ బీటీ, దే హావ్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్. చిన్నప్పుడు ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్ రాసినట్టు ఉంటుంది అది. లేదు, ఆ డైలాగ్ చెప్పు. ఫ్రూట్స్ తినాలి, ఫ్లూట్ వినాలి చెప్పు.
ఫ్రూట్స్ తినాలి, ఫ్లూట్ వినాలి.
ఫ్రూట్స్ తినండి, ఫ్లూట్స్ వినండి.
అది
తెలియదు. ఫ్రూట్స్ తినండి, ఫ్లూట్ వినండి చెప్పు.
ఫ్రూట్స్ తినండి, ఫ్లూట్ వినండి. నో, ఆర్ ఫ్రూట్స్ తాగండి, ఫ్లూట్ వినండి.
ఏదో